What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. Ah!
Perfect.
I know that was that's stupid. Hey, man, if it made you stay on the video, it worked, right?
It's on.
Welcome on back to TK's Garage. In today's video, I'm giving you guys an update on the Petty Roosevelt. You guys haven't heard anything on Project Roosevelt in a little bit, but I literally just heard from my dude, Amir, over at Full Bolt-On Garage, which, by the way, if you did not know, we happen to share the same birthday, so we were just enjoying our birthdays. You know, I had an amazing birthday. What can I tell you, man? There's nothing... How do I explain this? Are we past 7 seconds? We are past 7 seconds. I could probably disclose this. There's nothing like waking up on your birthday. How do I say it? Let me just say just one word. Titties. I don't know what to tell you. Anyways, my birthday was awesome, in case you didn't know. And I got to meet some new peoples and stuff came to town over the birthday weekend. It was super dope. And you may see some of them in videos in the future. We'll see how that goes. I know how you thirsty motherfuckers are, so I have to be careful about who I introduce to my audience now. Anywho's, I'm excited, man. Awesome news. You know, Full Bolt-On Garage hits me up, lets me know what's going on, and the Petty Roosevelt could be transformed and done in the next week. Some of the parts that need to be there are coming. They're like currently in Memphis and should be there like early this week, probably at the time that you're seeing me publish this video. So she should be mechanically sound, physically sound, and then you guys already know what's up. It's going down. Like the Petty Roosevelt is about to be a freaking problem. I'm excited for it. I'm excited to get my hands back on the car. Not that there's anything wrong with like some of the Copart deals I've been driving, or the beautiful, you know, Mini Mamba, as some of y'all done called this thing, the Mini Mamba. But I've thoroughly missed the Petty Roosevelt, and I'm super excited to see that it's coming to completion. Wow, that sounded bad. That it's coming to... I should probably just stop using the word coming. Anyways, the Petty Roosevelt is almost done. I was going to use the word finished, and then that sounded bad. This is going left very fast. Anyways, go check out... I'm sure we're going to thanks, TKI, for all of that. Anyways, go check out Full Bolt-On Garage. I'm going to put a link to his channel in the description down below, and I'll probably tag him in the comment section. You should be able to just tag that at. It will take you right to his channel. He's going to be dropping all kinds of videos on putting the car together and stuff here soon. So stay tuned, because this is going to be exciting. I'm excited to see how the car turns out, and I'm excited to see what Amir has in store for it. Now, this thing is going to be ridiculous. It's going to be way faster than it was when it came in. You know, just some of the modifications that have been down to it. You know, the cats are going off the car. You know, we already had pretty much everything else cut out from the exhaust system. So it's going to be loud for sure. Coolant system is all replaced for the most part. You know, water pump, radiator, all the coolant boxes and stuff are already replaced here recently. So full facelift, full ass lift. You know, basically the Petty Roosevelt got a BBL. You know what it is. We got the BBL done on the Petty Roosevelt, and you know, she looks like she's brand new. So I'm excited. I can't wait for you guys to see it. You guys have been asking me about it, and I thought I would go ahead and give you guys a little update. As you know, I got to talk to my bro today about it, and I'm excited. I'm excited for you guys to see it. But anyways, I just saw a Honda Accord police car. I don't think I've ever seen one of those. That was cool. It had red and blue lights all on the grill. Anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comments section down below. And stay tuned, because as soon as I know something, you guys will know something. Whenever, like I said, go subscribe over to Full Bolt-On Garage. Just go do it. And I'm going to go ahead and whenever he does post something, if it's a post or a video and stuff, you guys know I will share it as a community post. So go check out our community tab here on the channel as well. Damn, somebody sideswiped the shit out of that. Anyways, I'm over here like, squirrel, squirrel. Anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Are you excited to see the Petty Roosevelt back? I know a lot of you guys want to see the Petty Roosevelt gone. But nope. Nope. It's here. It's staying. But I do have some Mopar news for you guys. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably already know, but stay tuned.